Meaning of gynecology.
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 Gynecology. Gynecology is a branch of medicine that deals with the female reproductive system, including ovaries, uterus, cervix, fallopian tubes, vagina, and vulva. It involves the diagnosis, treatment, and management of various conditions related to women's health, such as menstrual disorders, infertility, pregnancy complications, sexually transmitted infections, menopause, and gynecologic cancers. Gynecologists also perform routine screenings and preventive care, including pelvic exams, pap tests, and breast exams. In summary, gynecology plays a crucial role in maintaining and promoting women's health throughout their lifespan.